Good morning, students. Today I am going to start the second chapter of the Vistas named Anime, which is written by Charles S. Burke. It is a story about the Second World War, which is held between the Japanese and the Americans. These two countries have vested with each other. They think that Japanese are superior than American and Americans are superior than Japanese. That is why they are being prejudiced and they are at the state of war. When war takes place, the feelings of civilians are something different than that. These people face different type of problems. How they act, how they behave, how they manage themselves in the era of that war we will read in this chapter. In this chapter, Sadao Holsky is a doctor, is a cardiologist, is a well-known doctor of the Japan, and how he reacts with the American prisoner, how he acts, whether he put his ethics or not, or whether he supported as a patriot or become the support the army. Mr. Sadao Holsky house was built on the spot of the Japan coast where he was a little boy and had often played. The low squat stone house was set upon the rocks well above a narrow beach that was outlined with the bent pine. सदाओ हॉल्की का घर जो था आइलैंड पे था, जापान के कोस्टल एरिया पे था. It was built on the pillars and there is a paka house made by the rocks. And this house was surrounded by the pine trees. It's a beautiful surrounding. As a boy, Sadao had climbed the pine, support himself on the bare feet as he had seen men do in the South Sea when they climbed up for coconut. Sadao was from his boyhood. He used to go in the coastal area and used to play over there and climb on the pine trees, as the people of South Sea used to do to fetch that coconut from there. He used to climb the coconut trees also. His father had taken him often to an island and those seas, and never had he failed to stay to a little boy at his side. Those islands yonder, they are stepping stone to the future of Japan. His father was a great patriot. बहुत अच्छे देशभक्त थे, and he loved his Japan very much. Always he used to take his boy to the coastal area and show the island which was nearby it, that these are the stepping stone of success of Japan. If they capture this island, इस island को अगर वो capture कर लेंगे तो जापान को success मिल सकती है. So small boy Sadao used to ask his father when they will step from there, कब मिलेंगे उनको, ये वहाँ पर जाएंगे, कब उनको सक्सेस मिलेगी. Who knows, his father had answered. Who can limit our future? It depends on what we make it. His father used to say that who knows when the future किसी को नहीं पता है. It depends upon what we do in the present. If we want, we will get. If we will not, will not going to happen. Sadao had taken this into his mind as he did everything his father said. His father, who never joked or played with him, but who spent infinite pains upon him, who was his only son. Father of Sadao was a very serious person. He never joked. He never laughed, but he took a great pain to brought up his child, his only child, Sadao. अपने सदाओं को बड़ा करने में वो बहुत मेहनत करते थे. Sadao knew that his education was his father's chief concern. Sadao जानते थे कि उनके father जो थे उनकी education पर बहुत ध्यान देने वाले थे, बहुत ध्यान देते थे. And this reason he had been sent at 20 to the America to learn all that could be learned to the surgery and medicine. That is why he was sent to the America at the age of 20 to learn surgery and medicine. He had come back at 30, and before his father died, he had since Sadao become famous, not only the surgeon but a scientist. At the age of 30, when he returned back from America, being a scientist and a surgeon, his father died at that time, but before his death, he knew very well that his son is become a scientist and as well as the surgeon, because he was perfecting a discovery which would render the wounds entirely clean. He had not been sent abroad with the troops. Sadao एक अच्छे साइंटिस्ट थे. At the time of war, many of the soldiers died due to the swollen wounding. जो उनके wounds हुआ करते थे वो सड़ जाते थे, खराब हो जाते थे. So he discovered the antiseptic at the time. That is why he was known as a scientist. But he was not sent with the troops. Troops were the group of the army people who used to migrate from one place to another in the war period. In that troop, there are so many doctors, engineers, surgeons, nurses, along with that army soldiers. But Sadao was not sent in the troops. Also, he knew that there was some slight danger and the old general might need an operation for the condition for which he was now being treated medically, and for this possibility, Sadao had been kept in Japan. Why Sadao was not sent in the group? Because he was one of the precious doctor of the Japan. Japan के सबसे अनुभवी, सबसे अच्छे डॉक्टर थे, and he was treating the general of the army, who was also the cardiac patient. He was under his treatment. Maybe this was the only reason that he was not sent in the trip, because maybe the operation may take place or any other treatment should required to that journey. Cloud was rising from the ocean, and the unexpected warmth of the past few days had at night drawn heavy fog from the cold waves. Now children, this is the present story. I told you about the Sadao and his life earlier. And this is the present story, and the crowd was rising up because Sadao's house was at the coastal area, and it was very hot past few days. That is why a huge mist was arising from the sea, which is wrapping not only the pine trees but the house of the Sadao also. Sadao watched the mist hiding outline of a little island near the shore, and then creeping up the beach below the house, withering round the pine. In a few minutes, fog would wrap about the house too. Then he would go to the room where Hannah and his wife would be waiting for him, the children. At this time, what happened? Sadao was coming back to his dispensary and just wanted to come house and return back to his house with to his children and his wife, and he was very happy with his family. At this moment, the door was opened and she looked at the dark blue woolen hierarchy on her kimono. The Sadao wife was in a traditional dress, Japan's traditional dress, and she was waiting for her husband along with her. He met with Hannah, and Sadao met Hannah when he was in America, and she was also in America. His father had never received her unless she had been pure of the race. Both of them fall in love in America but never share their feeling until they come to know that they both are the same race, belongs to the Japan. Because he knew his father very well, that his father will never accept any bride from other country. So children, that's all the video at this time, and the rest part of the chapter will be continued in another video. Thank you.